How many times have you watched a trading video, learned a new strategy, only to go right back to losing money? I know the feeling all too well, cause that's exactly where I was not too long ago. Then one day, I discovered a simple scalping strategy using just 3 indicators that literally changed everything. Suddenly, I started seeing trades I've never seen before. Opportunities that seemed to just appear out of nowhere. And almost as if by magic, I went from being a perennial loser to a consistently profitable trader. In this video, I'm going to reveal that exact strategy to you. I show you the 3 indicators, how they work together to spot perfect entry opportunities and confirm signals with pinpoint accuracy. There are no complex patterns to memorize and no price action tricks. Just watch these 3 indicators lined up and take the trade. The beauty of this strategy is that it's so simple yet so effective, and if you implement it with discipline, it will start putting profits in your account. So are you ready? Then let's get started. Alright friends, the first thing we'll do is to add G channel trend detection indicator to the trading chart. Then head over to its settings and in the style tab of the indicator, turn off all options except for the shapes. Then in the inputs tab, set the length to 45. The indicator will now spit out some buy and sell signals. But I won't recommend just trading based on this indicator alone. It works great, but in some cases we'll want to filter out some of those signals. For that, we'll need to add the Vodatar explosion indicator. After adding it, the indicator will pop up on your chart like this, but we'll want to tweak the settings to optimize it. So in the style tab, make the exact same changes that I made. Then in the inputs tab, set these values. Sensitivity to 200. Fast EMA length to 27. A slow EMA length to 45. BB channel length to 21. BB standard deviation multiplier to 3. And no trade zone to 21. Therefore now, the sell signals will now only be valid if the WAE indicator is 1 red, 2 above the moving average, and 3 below the no trade zone line. And the buy signal will be valid if the WAE is 1 green, 2 above moving average, and 3 below the no trade zone line. In the first example, a sell signal popped up, but the trade was rejected because the WA indicator was below the moving average. In the next one, a buy signal showed up, but the trade wasn't confirmed because the WAE indicator was above the no trade zone. Now for the final step, we need to add the ultimate moving average multi-time frame indicator. After adding it to the chart, to turn this into a long-term trend indicator, make exactly the same settings changes that I made step by step. With this indicator, you'll easily be able to visually identify trends. If the indicator is green and candles form above it, you can recognize an uptrend is happening. And likewise, the indicator is red and candles form below it, you can recognize a downtrend. Alright friends, to enter a trade, we need to check three things. First, the rules for entering a buy trade. We'll first need a buy signal from the G trend indicator. Then the price will need to be above the green CMA ultimate indicator to confirm an uptrend. And finally, the WAE indicator will need to confirm the buy signal. So if a signal checks all these boxes, we can enter a buy position. After getting in, set your stop loss below the recent swing low. And take profit when the risk-reward ratio hits 1 to 1.5. And the rules for sell trades are similar. We'll first need a sell signal from the G trend indicator. Then the price will need to be below the red CMA ultimate indicator to confirm a downtrend. And finally, the WAE indicator will need to confirm the sell signal. If a signal checks these three boxes, we can enter a sell position. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high price. And aim for at least 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio when exiting the trade. But friends, if you're just getting started as a trader and want to learn how to make money consistently with a simple strategy, then this recommended video is a must watch.